Yeah. What you thinking about? Yeah. What you thinking about? Yeah. What you thinking about? Yeah. I'm a player from the west with the wicked old style, sipping Hennessy, making bitches go wild. Used to slang with the homies, now I'm spitting mad heat. SP, motherfucker, represent the backstreets. Player, take a backseat when you hear me on the mic, bringing fear to your heart like the theory about the night. They feel me when I write, so I'm about to take flight. I'm speeding through my life, motherfucker, break lights. On a mission for the cheese, crush lyrics on the beat, leaving other MCs black-eyed without the P's. And you know I spit the heat, you know I keep it street like graffiti in the city. My hood is hella gritty, cause you can't trust the soul. Everybody's out for paper, pussy, I'm the fucking gold. And you know how I roll, spit heat with the wind to keep your buster ass rolling. When I'm spitting on this track shit, you know it gets torn. Chillin', drinks we sippin', cash we flippin', bitches be trippin'. We don't give a fuck cause we chillin', diamonds blingin', rims be spinning. Long as we winning, we don't give a fuck. Think you got me figured out, cause you saw me in the club, glass full of bub, in the corner with the thugs. What you know about pain, what you know about struggle, when you in too deep and your problems start to double. At times they even triple, that's when your road ripples. When you used to have cash and now it barely trickles. Your ass is in the pickle and you got two options: hustle, get paper, or starve and take your losses. That's when you understand the true meaning what a boss is, cause life ain't golf, I don't see no fairway. So I hustle, stay hard and move up like stairways. Anything is fair game, cause the streets have no rules. Move fast for the paper and forget about the fools. Money equals power, so I make my own moves. Chillin' in the back with my motherfucking crew. Or you don't give a damn, we don't give a fuck dude. Chillin', drinks we sippin', cash we flippin', bitches be trippin'. We don't give a fuck cause we chillin', diamonds blingin', rims be spinning. Long as we winning, we don't give a fuck.